வணக்கம். வெல்கம் டு இன்ஸ்பயர் அகாடமி. இன்னைக்கு இந்த வீடியோல என்ன பார்க்க போறோம் அப்படின்னா ஆகஸ்ட் மந்தோட பார்ட் 2 கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ் பார்க்க போறோம். So the first one, which telecom provider executes the recent project which aims to provide 4G mobile services in all uncovered villages? So the Union Cabinet, the BSNL, Union Cabinet approved a project for providing 4G mobile services in all uncovered villages. So BSNL. What is the official slogan of 2024 Paris Olympics? So games wide open. So it's games wide open. The Udayam registration portal is associated with which ministry? So the Ministry of MSME launched Udayam registration portal in 2020 after the adoption of revised definition of micro, small and medium enterprises. Voluntary blood donation has been launched on which application under Raktan Amrit Mahotsav? So registration for Raktan Amrit Mahotsav have began on Arogya Setu app. So it's Arogya Setu. Manisha Kalyan, who has seen in the news, is associated with which sport? Manisha Kalyan and Sunil Chetri were named AIFF Women's and Men's Footballer of the Year respectively. So she is associated with football. Which Indian chess players won the Open and Women's titles in the Asian Continental Chess Championship? Are Pragnananda and P.V. Nandita. Gallery test, which was seen in news, is a blood test capable of detecting which test? So it's capable of detecting cancer. Who has been named winner of first ever Queen Elizabeth Woman of the Year award? So it is Swella Braverman. Swella Braverman has been named the winner of first ever Queen Elizabeth II Women of the Year award. Union Ministry notified E-Waste Management Rules 2022. So it's the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change recently notified E-Waste Management Rules 2022. Super pigs have been recently spotted in which country? So Canada's super pigs have been recently spotted in United States. So it's United States. மேலும் விவரங்களுக்கு 9842297768 அப்படிங்கிற நம்பருக்கு கால் பண்ணுங்க. ஒரு inspireacadamii@gmail.com மெயில் ஐடியை காண்டாக்ட் பண்ணுங்க. ஸோ இந்த வீடியோவை லைக் பண்ணுங்க, சேனலுக்கு சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. தேங்க்யூ.